Do you feel shy to speak English? Don't worry. Today I will help you with 20 sentences that you can use in your daily basis. If you're a beginner, this video is perfect for you. Till the end and practice. The first word is I am learning English. I am learning English. For an example, I am learning English every day. So the second one is I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. For an example, I want to improve my English speaking. So the third one is I don't understand. I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand this. So the next is please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. For an example, please speak slowly and clearly. So the next is can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? For an example, can you repeat that please? I didn't get it. Move to the next one, which is where are you going? Where are you going? For an example, where are you going today? Let's jump into the another one, which is I am busy right now. I am busy right now. For an example, I'm busy right now. I'll call you later. The next one is let's talk later. Let's talk later. For an example, let's talk later in the evening. So the next one is I'll call you back. I'll call you back. For an example, I'll call you back soon. Let's jump into the another one, which is what does this mean? What does this mean? For an example, what does this word mean? So the next one is which is a question. You can say it anytime when you want to ask it. How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? I am trying my best. For an example, I am trying my best to learn this. Next one is I make mistake. I make mistake. For an example, I make mistake, but it's okay. I'm learning it. Let's jump into that. The next one, which is I am not afraid to speak. I'm not afraid to speak. For an example, I'm not afraid to speak English now. Jump into the another one, which is I will improve daily. For an example, I will improve daily step by step. Next one is practice makes perfect. So practice makes perfect. For an example, practice makes perfect. So keep going on. So the next one is I believe in myself. I believe in myself. For an example, I believe in myself and I'm learning. So the next one is I can do it. For an example, I can do it. I will not give up. So now let's practice together. I'll say you repeat. I am learning. I am learning. Repeat after me. I am learning. So the next is I can do it. I can do it. Repeat after me. I can do it. Then please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Repeat after me. Please speak slowly. Comment I can speak English if you practice with me.